Welcome again to Quick Recipe Tips. Today we are making an easy, soft and fluffy donuts. Let's dive right in. Find the recipe below the description. Make sure to watch until the end while you follow the recipe. Feel free to pause in between the videos to follow exactly what I'm doing. If it's your first time to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, follow, and comment. It's your favorite dish you're struggling to make. I'll make sure I'll help you out and create a recipe for you for my next post. Thank you. Find the recipe below the description. Make sure to watch until the end while you follow the recipe. Now here how to prepare. In a bowl, combine warm milk, sugar, yeast. Let it form for 5 to 10 minutes. Make the donut now. Add the flour, salt, yogurt or egg, and the butter or margarine. Mix to form a sticky dough. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Bulk proof. Cover and rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes until it doubles. Punch down and roll the dough into half an inch or 1.2 centimeter thickness. Cut using a donut cutter. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you like this donut recipe and how to make it. Make sure you subscribe and next time you find my new recipe. Thank you.